video. I'm not really allowed to dye my hair, but I have a driver's license and food money, so I can dye my hair. Ever since I was 12 years old, I wanted to do the ombre. I wanted to do it because like Zoella and like everyone had their ombre hair, and I thought it looked so pretty. But basically I have like blonde hair, so I can't exactly do ombre because it's not like the color I can get much lighter than this. So I would have to do like dye the top too and dye the bottom. So I got a light brown for the top, and I tried to do the lightest shade of blonde I could find. I'm not really supposed to dye my hair because my mom thinks I'm gonna kill it, but it's just a one-time thing. I think this should be over in like a month if I screw this up. I'm probably gonna screw this up. I doubt it that I won't screw this up, so we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna need to look up some tutorials. This is gonna be really screwy. This is the first time I'm dyeing my hair, by the way. I one time had highlights, but I didn't do them. So this is the first time I'm dyeing my hair, and this is the first time I'm doing it by myself. So this is gonna be horrible. So we got a developer cream, a conditioning treatment, oh wait, do I need to get special shampoo now? I don't know. Color permanent cream, some directions, pre-color treatment. So do I put this on before? What is going on? And I think the same thing's gonna be the same thing because they're the same brand. Okay, let's try to Google a tutorial. Google told me I need gloves, and I don't know where any gloves are, so what am I gonna do? I have no idea. We're gonna try to find gloves, I guess. It says that they should come with gloves, but my packages don't. So I'm gonna use these. This is already going so bad. Oh great. Okay, so I have to mix my stuff. Does I have to mix this stuff? Do I have to mix this? I don't know. Oh wait, there were directions. They did give me gloves. They were hiding from me. They put these little sneaky things in the directions. They put the little sneaky things in the directions. Okay, so we got our gloves now. So we good. We're not using some plastic bag hands. No ratchet little thing. All right. So where is number 1? Okay, use the pre-color treatment on dry and unwashed hair. Do not use the treatment if this is the first time coloring your hair. We don't understand. Why can't I use it? Do not use the treatment. Why can't I use it? Why can't I use it? I want to use it. I want to use the treatment. Okay, so mix it. So we will be back in 20 minutes. That's when I'll see you. Alright, hopefully you can still see me. I am back. I am dyeing my hair. So I made the mixtures. This is the brown. This is the blonde. It's in here because I made a little mistake. It's pretty mixtured up. Yeah, so I think we can start. Okay. So we got some gloves. I'm just like, what is going on? This could be like in a few hours, my hair could be pretty, it could be ugly, like, you know, I don't know. It's a surprise. Like, we don't know how this is gonna look. Okay, total development time 30 minutes. So is this supposed to take 30 minutes? Okay, so how long do I leave it in before I go? I'm scared. I don't understand. How long do I leave this in? Does it matter? Okay. I'm gonna Google it. Alright, Google told me 30 minutes to an hour, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh Jesus, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so why is this not fitting? Okay, maybe this is for the wrong hand. Alright, I'm gonna put some music. I'm gonna put some music on while we ruin my hair. This is gonna be like a sing-along thing too. I'm putting it on shuffle. I'm getting text. Condo in Manhattan. Baby girl is that. Okay. Do I just? Okay. I think we put in the roots. I'm also using this. Oh wait, we should put this down. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted because of music, but well. I'm gonna do the roots like this. And I'm also using this as my mirror, so another reason. Wait, I think they gave a little brush. Okay, I shouldn't touch my phone right now. Fire and ice, ships to Puerto Rico. Big word and we go. Here we go. I can't even see it. So pretty. Jump in the Cadillac, girl, let's put some miles on it. Everything you want to put a smile on it. And I'm gonna give it shining so bright. That's what I like, that's what I like. That's what I like, that's what I like. Fire and ice. This is so bad. Lucky for you, that's what I like. This just smells horrible. This smells like a wet dog. I can't even see it in my hair, so like I don't know, like am I covering enough? Like I don't know. Am I more than you bargained for? Yeah. Oh, dun 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 dun. There's no method to this. I'm like literally just like, we're going downtown. Sugar, we're going down swimming. The #1 with the bullet, fast coffee and bullet. Sugar, we're going down swimming. #1 with the bullet. Cocky and bullet. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add the blonde now. I don't know what's going on. I think I'm gonna try to make the blonde look a lot. You two in the closet, wishing to be that friction in your jeans. Have them just time to be here. Oh, Megan, we're going down tonight. Downtown, yeah, with the bullet. This stuff smells so disgusting. I'm dying right now. My nose is being really sad. I don't know how much to put in. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. What song is this? I think I'm adding it way too high, to be honest. Oh, I can kind of see it now. Oh my god, this stuff. It's watching her, but she's looking at you. Ooh, ooh. I look like a mess. Ooh, ooh. I want to try to grab this now. I feel like I put this up way too high. I feel like I put it way more on this side. Baby, this is what you came for. Maybe I'll put it like a top. Everybody's watching her. She's looking at you. I think that I want the bottom to be really. Let me try to like. Oh my god, my eyes feel like watering because of this. It smells so bad. Like literally my eyes want to like water because of the smell. Oh my god, ew. How do people do this? It is such a disgusting smell. Oh my god, isn't there a way they can not make it this disgusting? Jesus, I did not know it was gonna smell this bad. Oh my god. I feel like I'm putting it way too far up. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. I'm literally dying. I'm literally dying. Okay. I don't know. Maybe this is enough. I don't know. Oh Jesus. Is it weird that I'm like this freaked out about the smell? Or like comment below if like I'm this freaked out about the smell or not. Oh. Okay, so I think I'm done with the blonde, so I might try adding some more brown because I feel like it's just supposed to look like this when it has the hair dye in, so I might try to add a little bit more of the brown and then we're gonna wash it out and then I'll show you the finale in a few hours when it's done. Ugh. Oh, I know what this is. I put this on my playlist like 2 minutes ago because I wanted to hear it because I've never heard it before. Okay. I think this is Meghan Trainor or something. It's something by Meghan Trainor that's supposed to be popular. This kind of looks purple. It better not be purple. I didn't sign up for that. But my top looks red. Is that normal? This isn't red, right? No, it says light brown. Alright, it has been 15 minutes. I'm supposed to leave it in for 30. So I'll probably... That's weird that it looks red. I don't know. Let's hit it. Let's part it, get a little bit more brown. And then we're going to wash it off. Wait. Yeah. We're supposed to wash it. First I was like, can we wash it? That would be really stupid if I left it in. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off and we will see how it looks. For some reason I thought this would be a really long process. Probably because I didn't think out anything at all. Well, this was a short process, but you know, this is fun. Okay, so you're about to see, do I look ugly? Does it look great? You will see in a few minutes. I will have to wait a few hours, but you'll see in like a minute. Okay, all right, so hair reveal in 3, 2, 1. So it's very different. Like it's a very subtle change. The top part, it's like I didn't put that much in, I guess, so it's a little bit darker, like a little bit of spots, but I didn't put that much in. So yeah, I didn't put in enough hair dye, so there's not really that big of a change. Here's what the bottom looks like. You can tell it's like a little, maybe if I should back up. So yeah, it is a little tiny bit of a change, but it is not that different. I think I maybe just didn't put that much hair dye in it and I washed it out too soon. I don't know, but yeah, it's not really that different. I don't even think most people are going to tell that it looks different. They're probably not gonna notice. Yeah, so that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, you should subscribe, like, comment, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I add every single person back. That's all I have to say, so goodbye. Okay, so Google told me I need gloves for this. Also, can you even see me? I don't know. Okay, so I'm back. I can literally not see myself at all because the sun is blinding me. I would turn the things off, but I don't think you could see me at all because it's pretty dark in here. Let me see if I turn it off. That's like my only light source right now, but okay, we are just dealing with it. I kind of need like a visor or something. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna need to fix that. It's bothering me too much. Alright, I am gonna have to plug you in because you're dying, even though it said I had enough charge like 2 minutes ago. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Directions are your friend. I am breathing heavy.